Now to Washington, where an ally of former President Donald Trump is on trial for refusing to comply with a congressional subpoena. Steve Bannon refused to testify before the House Select Committee investigating the January 6th Capitol attack. Today, Bannon's lawyers asked the judge to delay the trial, but those requests were denied. ABC's Jay O'Brien reports.
The Department of Justice beginning to present its case in court today against Steve Bannon on trial for refusing to comply with a congressional subpoena from the House committee investigating the January 6th Capitol attack. Prosecutors saying the former chief strategist for President Donald Trump had, quote, contempt for Congress's authority. Bannon's lawyers previously telling the judge their client didn't meet the committee's demand to testify and turn over documents because he didn't believe the deadline to comply was firm. The January 6th committee has long alleged Bannon had, quote, specific knowledge about the events planned for January 6th before they occurred, pointing to comments like this Bannon made on his podcast the day before the deadly insurrection.
All hell is going to break loose tomorrow.
Outside of court yesterday, Bannon blasting the committee's investigation.
It's this show trial they've been putting up on Capitol Hill. It's nothing but a show trial. It's time they start having other witnesses. They can give other testimony.
Bannon standing trial as the House Select Committee prepares for its final scheduled hearing and planned testimony from two former Trump aides, Deputy White House Press Secretary Sarah Matthews and Deputy National Security Advisor Matt Pottinger. Thursday's primetime hearing expected to focus on the 187 minutes between when rioters violently breached the Capitol and former President Donald Trump's response.
And at any point, he could have walked to the press room a couple feet away and called off the rioters.
One member of the January 6th committee said the panel won't commit to making Thursday their final hearing because evidence continues to come in. Meanwhile, the chair of the committee, Representative Benny Thompson, announced today he's tested positive for COVID, but the upcoming hearing will go on as scheduled. Jay O'Brien, ABC News, Washington.